cook it, to wash it, to make it look nicer, or to make it bigger? What do you think? C. C? What's the answer? Can you read, please? To look. Okay, very good. Let's check if it's letter C. Okay, very good. So the correct answer is to make it look nicer. Okay. Next, how does the sandwich taste according to the speaker? Is it bitter and spicy, fresh and delicious, sour and salty, or hard and dry? According to the presenters earlier. Okay, B. B. Can you please tell me the answer? Fresh and delicious. Okay, delicious. Okay, very good. So it's letter B. It's fresh and delicious. Okay, I have one question. Okay, how does the sandwich make it taste fresh? What makes it fresh?
My answer is vegetable like cabbage and cucumber.
Very good. How to make it fresh, taste fresh, it's because of the vegetables like the lettuce or cabbage and the cucumbers. Okay. Number 10. What does the speaker hope at the end? Everyone buys a sandwich, everyone opens a restaurant, everyone tries making a sandwich at home, or everyone eats pizza instead. Okay. Okay, let's check. Very good. Okay. Everyone tries making a sandwich at home. Okay. I have another question. If you are at home and you have all the ingredients that you want, not limited, okay? What kind of sandwich would you be making? Would you put bacon instead of sausage? Or would you put some cheese there? Tomatoes? What? Who wants to answer? Okay.
I want to make a lobster sandwich.
Wow, you have lobsters at home.
No?
But that's good. Wow, a lobster sandwich. Who else? Who else? Okay.
I will make a dish salad. You have everything ingredients.
Okay, you have all the ingredients at home. So it's a meaty kind of sandwich. Who else? Cow?
If I have all the ingredients, I will make a beef sandwich.
A beef sandwich. Wow. What else? Who else? Who wants to try? Okay. Let's just try. Do you like chicken, ham?
Chicken ham is so normal.
Yeah, it's normal. But you know, if you have those ingredients. An egg sandwich. Okay. That's good. That's what you made. You made an egg sandwich today. Okay, very good. So, yes, thank you so much much, everyone. That's all for today. Okay, so remember, making a sandwich at home is the best way still. And yeah, I hope everyone would make their own sandwich at home and take a photo of it. And you tell us how it tastes. Okay? So yes, thank you so much, everyone.